Okay, so this is from simultaneous linear equation. This is revision from simultaneous linear equation. Linear equation revision. Solve the following using elimination by equating coefficient method. 3x minus 4y minus 10 is see. Take 2 more minutes to solve all this, then we will discuss the solution. Then we will discuss the solution. Let's get the answer. Let us discuss first what is. Send me the answer in the chat box. Only answer. Nothing else should be written in the chat box. Satish Patel C. Aryan Patel C. Anushri Mishra C. Raj Chavda C. Rishabh Gathani C. Arya Gurule C. Meet Rathod C. Meet Rathod C. Aniket Chauhan C. Sarita Gupta C. Anshu Patel C. Yes, what about others? Karan Chauhan C. Ravina Chaudhary C. Alex Sagar C. Meet Rathod C. Yes. Jai Gandhi. You have joined. What is your answer? So many students have joined. Rudra Bagwe C. Gaurav Raj Purohit C. Hello. Send other answer. So everybody is giving the answer C, 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 C. Let us check it. C means x is 6, y is 2. Let us check the answer. 3x minus 4y. 3x minus 4y. 3x minus 4y minus 10 is equal to 0. Whenever you want to write down this, whenever you want to solve by using elimination by equating coefficient method, Aryan Patel present. Okay. So 3x minus 4y, we write equal to 10. Elimination by equating coefficient, we write down a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 form. Then 5x minus 3y is equal to 24. Let us make y coefficient equal. So this is y, this y coefficient is 4, this is 3. So multiply equation 2 by 4 and equation 1 by this coefficient of y, that is 3. So 3 into equation 1, 3 into equation 1, 3 into equation 1, then 4 into equation 2. But y coefficient, they have same sign, minus minus. Whenever they have same sign, you have to subtract. We write minus. Subtract means change the sign of second equation. Subtract means change the sign of second equation. Subtract means change the sign of second equation. So this become equation 1 we multiply by 3. So 9x, 3 3s are 9, 12y is equal to 30. Equation 2 by this coefficient of y, 4. 20x minus 12y is equal to 24, 4s are 96. And minus is there. Minus means you have to change the sign of second equation. So plus become minus, minus become plus, plus become minus. Let us solve this. 9 minus 20 minus 11x plus 0 is equal to 30 minus 96. That is minus 66. So you will get minus 11x is equal to minus 66. Minus minus get cancelled. 11 6 is 66. So x is equal to 6. What is the answer? X is equal to 6. Now put the value of x is equal to 6 in any one of the equation 1 or 2. So 3 into 6, 18 minus 4y is equal to 10. 18 minus 10 is equal to 4y. You will get 8 is equal to 4y. So you will get y is equal to 8 by 4, that is 2. So the correct answer is x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 2, which is your option number C. Yes, x is 6, y is 2. Yes, clear everybody? Those who have not given the answer. Chalo, solve second one. What is the answer? Chalo, send me the answer of second one. Chalo. Satyesh Patel B. Satyesh Patel B. Rishabh B. Raj Chawda B. Aryan Patel B. Sarita Gupta B. Aryan Guruvale B. Tanvi Patel B. Krishna Ravaria B. Neil B. Anshu Patel B. Meet Rathod B. Anushri Mishra B. Rudra Bagwe B. Aniket Chauhan B. Chalo. Any more? So everybody is giving the answer. B, B, B. B means x is 4, y is 3. X is 4, y is 3. And this you have to solve using cross multiplication method. Okay? So suppose this question is there. Suppose this question is there in the object is subjective. Then you have to use cross multiplication method. So in cross multiplication method, we write down both the linear equation in which form? a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. So we write 2x plus 3y minus 17 is equal to 0. You will compare this with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. You will get the value of a1, b1, c1. What is a1? Coefficient of x. a1 is 2, b1 is 3, and c1 is minus 17. Then similarly second one, 3x minus 2y. Yes, you can directly write. Minus 6 is equal to 0. So compare this with a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So comparing coefficient of x, a2 is 3, b2 is minus 2, and c2 is minus 6. Then which order you will prefer? Yes, which order? I have told you B, C, A, B. B, C, A, B. B, C, A, B. B, below B we write B1, B2. B1, B2, 3, minus 2. Below C, C1, C2, minus 17, minus 6. Below A, A1, A2, 2, 3. And below B, B1, B2, that is 3 minus 2. Okay? For this I will use this, x upon this. X upon cross multiply. Then this will be y upon cross multiply. Cross multiply and subtract. And this will be 1 upon cross multiply and subtract. Okay? So you will get x upon minus 18 minus 34, minus 18 minus 34. Okay, minus 18 minus 34 is equal to y upon minus 51 plus 12 is equal to 1 upon minus 4 minus 9, minus 4 minus 9. So x upon minus 18 minus 34 is minus 52 is equal to y upon minus 51 plus 11 minus 2, 9, 4 minus 1, 3, minus 39 is equal to 1 upon minus 13. So minus minus sign get cancelled, minus minus sign. You will get a is equal to b is equal to c, that will give you a is equal to c and b is equal to c. A is equal to c and b is equal to c. So by that way you will get x upon 52. X upon 52 is equal to y up 1 upon 13. Yes, what you will get? X upon 52. X upon 52 is equal to 1 upon 13. So that will give you x is equal to 52 upon 13. 13 4s are 52, x is 4. Then y upon 39 is equal to 1 upon 13. So you will get y is equal to 39 upon 3, 39 upon 13. 39 will go up. and that is 3. The answer is x is equal to 4, y is equal to 3. Which option? B. So B was correct option. Very good. All of you have given the correct answer B. Chalo, do it. Now third one, solve it. What is the answer? Third one, what is the answer? 16. What he got? 16. 16. Okay. So let me give 2 more minutes for third. You want everybody to solve the third one. Reversing the digit. Reversing the digit. 16. B option. Okay. Chalo, send me the answer in the chat box so that those record I can keep and give you marks for active participation. Meet Radford B, Satish Patel B, Raj Chawda B, Meet Radford B, Aryan Patel B, Rishabh Gathani B, Jay Gandhi B. Jay Gandhi, you have finally come on the ground. Angshu Patel B, Neil B. Yes, Tanvi, you have not written B. Pratham Sethia B, Amit Jain B, Karan Chauhan B, Tanvi Patel B, Ashwin Rana B. Okay. Ashwin Rana B. Okay. So 2-digit number. Here. 2-digit number. 2-digit number has unit place and 10th place. Yes. So if you take 10th digit as x, unit digit as y, then what is 2-digit number? 10x plus y. Okay, 2-digit number will be 10x plus y. If the digits are reversed, instead of xy, it will be yx. Then reverse digit will be 10y plus x. Okay. And what is given first? The sum of the digit of a 2-digit number is 7, means x plus y. X plus y is equal to 7 given. Equation number 1. Then second condition says, if the digits are reversed, the new number increased. New number is this one. 10y plus x increased by 3 means plus 3 is equal to 4 times original number. 4 times original number 10x plus y. Let us see. 10y plus x plus 3 is equal to 40x plus 4y. Take 10y on that side. You will get 40x minus 10y is 30x plus 4y. No. 39x. 39x 4y minus 6y. Minus 6y is equal to 3. Correct? Divide each by 3. So 13x minus 2y is equal to 1. 13x, x plus y is 7. And 13x minus 2y is equal to 1. Multiply equation by 2. So 2x plus 2y. 2x plus 2y is equal to 14. Now add this. 13 plus 2, 15x plus 0 is equal to 15. 15x is equal to 15. X is equal to 1. When x is 1, put the value of x is 1. 1 plus y is equal to 7. That will give you y is equal to 6. So what is my 2-digit original number? 10x plus y. So 10 into x, 1 plus y, 6. 10 into 1, 10 plus 6, 16. The correct answer is 16. Which is option number B. Okay, so option number B, the correct answer is 16. So in this reversing the digit, what do you mean by A ratio B? Yes. What do you mean by A ratio B? A upon B. That you always remember. A ratio B means instead of reversing the digit, I can give you the ratio of the digit. Chalo. Fourth one. the solution of linear equation, the solution of linear equation 3x plus y minus 13 is equal to 0, and x minus 3y is equal to minus 9 is. Now see, in this only ask what is the solution, so you are free to use any method. Elimination by substitution method, elimination by equating coefficient method, and cross multiplication method. Any method you can use. Option A, x is 3, y is 3. Option B, x is 4, y is 3. Option C, x is 4, y is 4. Option D, x is 3 and y is 4. Chalo, do it. Whenever it is asked the solution, means you can use any method. Then fifth one, the solution of linear equation. The solution of linear equation. 4x minus 7y plus 28, 4x minus 7y plus 28 is equal to 0, and 7x minus 5y. 7x minus 5y, 7x minus 5y is equal to 9 is, yes, we will see. A is x is 7, y is 8. B option, x is 7, y is 7, y is 7. C option, x is 8, y is 8, y is 8. D option, x is 8, y is 7. Chalo, do it. Yes, what is the answer of first? Chalo, write in the chat box, let me read it. Aryan Patel D, Satish Patel D, Anushree Mishra D, Meet Rathod D, Amshu Patel D, Tanvi Patel D, Jay Gandhi D, Raj Chawda D, Rishabh Gathani D, Riddhi Singh D. Yes, any more student? Rudra Bagwe D, Meet Rathod, Sherlock, option D. Okay, we'll see. D, majority are giving the answer D. Chalo, let me go what Meet Rathod is saying. Log the option D. Chalo. So correct answer is x is 3, y is 4. X is 3, y is 4. Let us discuss. For those students who are not able to get the answer, x is 3, y is 4. Hmm. 3x minus y minus 13. So 3x minus y is 13. X minus 3y is equal to minus 9. You can make x coefficient equal. Equation 2 multiplied by 3. So 3x minus y is equal to 13. We write as it is. Let this 3x minus 9y is equal to minus 27. Now we subtract. Okay, greening not visible. 3x plus y is equal to 13. X minus 3y is equal to minus 9. Okay, you multiply equation 1 by 3. So 9x plus 3y is equal to 39. X minus 3y is equal to minus 9. Add minus and plus opposite sign. So 10x is equal to 39 minus 9 is 30. So x is equal to 3. When x is 3, put the value. So 3 3s are 9 plus y is equal to 13. Y is equal to 13 minus 9, 4. The correct answer is x is 3, y is 4. Yes, get the answer of first. Fifth one. What is the answer? Which option? Which option? Yes, Satish Patel. Write down in chat box. Chalo, let me read the name and the option. Satish Patel A, Anshu Patel A, Jay Gandhi A, Rishabh Gathani A, Alex Sagar A, Arvina Prajapati A, Meet Rathod A, Aryan Patel A, Rudra Bagwe A, Sahil Purohit A, Sahil Purohit A, Sahil Purohit A. Okay. Meet Rathod. Lock option A. Yes. Lock option A. Let us check the answer, then I will lock the option. Okay. Chalo. So majority are getting the answer A. So let us freeze this answer A. Or lock the answer A. Let us see. 4x minus 7y is equal to minus 28. And 7x minus 5y is equal to 9. Multiply equation 1 by 5. So 20x minus 35y is equal to minus 28 into 5. 140. Then 7 multiply by 7. 49x minus 35y is equal to 9 7 just 63. Same sign, minus minus, so subtract, minus plus minus. 49 minus 20, minus 29x plus 0 is equal to minus 140 minus 63, 0, 203. So 29 minus, minus minus get cancelled, x is equal to 203 upon 29. 29 sevens are. Yes, 29 sevens are. X is 7. X is 7. So 28 minus 7y is equal to minus 28. Okay, take minus 28 on that side. 56 is equal to 7y. Y is equal to 56 by 7, 8. So answer is y is 8 and x is 7. Y is 8, x is 7. X is 7, y is 8. Which option? Option number A. Yes. So it is 9:40. We stop here. We are having one more period, 6th period. Now remember, attendance in all the 6 period is compulsory. Okay. So please take care of this. Bye everybody. Bye. Bye.